Hello, people of YouTube. This is NO Reptiles with a video about my turtle tank. It's just a setup. It's not anything like that, like showing the turtles. Well, you might get to see some turtles, but just basically a setup. I have a stand over here. Don't know if you could see that too well. It's a big stand though. It's a 55-gallon tank. It's a really big tank. I filled it up to about the top. Yeah, about the top. Yeah, well, start with the setup. Okay, right here I have the turtle topper. The light's getting in the way, but as you can see, it's glowing with light in there. With the UVB over there and the heat over there. Okay, yeah, it's really good. If I were a person who owned turtles, I would get it. It's really helpful. Takes up a lot of space though, so if you have like a filter like a power filter, I wouldn't recommend using it, especially for the 55-gallon tank, because they have these little knobs and you can only use them on this side or that side. Okay, over here I have this tree thing. I don't know like what it is, just a tree. Put it in there. Turtles love it. Have a 5 to 10-gallon filter, and then I have this big, humongous Fluval V4, which is 34 to 64 gallons, I think. It's really good, but I have to clean the tank every month or so, which is really hard. Here I have a 2 to 10-gallon filter. It's really not the best, but it helps add up all the water. Okay. First turtle, this is Dino. He's a red-eared slider. He's pretty big. I don't know if it's a he, but I think it's a she. Anyway, yeah, I have some plants because I do have snapping turtles and they do not like deep water. Since I have the turtle topper, I have no choice. Yeah, so put lots of plants in there. Those plastic plants, not real plants. Yeah, they love to like just stay there in the shallow, but a lot of them do go out and swim. Okay, over here you could see it's red because I have the 60-watt red light. It goes on every day and every night. It never stops. The basking platform, it's a medium. Here's my map turtle. Yeah, he's a map turtle, Mississippi map. Then over here, going to sleep, turned over on the side. He's not dead. That's just how him sleeps. This one's over here. There's 2 snapping turtles. Yeah. And then the third one is right there. I think you could see it snagged, but it's reaching up for air. Yeah, he was the first turtle I've ever had. He was a rescue actually, because there was a flood in Atlanta and he got out and he couldn't find his way back, so yeah. Yeah, I have the screen so I don't get out. And here goes my other turtle. He's a baby red-eared slider. There he goes. And somewhere around here, I have, first of all, I have 2 red-eared sliders, 3 snapping turtles, and 2 map turtles. Okay, well, hope you like my setup. Bye. Comment, rate, subscribe.